Most of the time, our days are spent with our feet firmly on the ground. At ground level, our tools and work surfaces are within easy reach. But there are times when we need to access things that are more difficult to get to. Sometimes a truck with a lift bucket can be brought in to raise us to the desired height. For long-term projects, it may make sense to put up some scaffolding. Most of the time, though, working off the ground means bringing in a ladder. When we use them correctly, ladders make our jobs easier and make us more productive. They allow us to work comfortably in places that are ordinarily out of our reach. In fact, it's hard to imagine what we do without them. But we've got to be careful, because whenever we're on a ladder, there's always the possibility we could fall. If they're used incorrectly, ladders can lead to accidents and serious injuries. So let's take a look at how to work with ladders safely.